Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming on a school Chromebook. First, you will need a reliable internet connection, ideally with at least 20 megabits per second download speed, for smooth gameplay. Also, having a compatible controller, such as an Xbox wireless controller, will significantly enhance your gaming experience. This setup allows you to stream hundreds of games directly. Next, open the Google Chrome browser on your Chromebook. Then, go to the official Xbox Cloud Gaming website. You will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure this account has an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, as this is essential for accessing the cloud gaming service. Without it, you cannot play any games. Now, let's connect your controller. If you have a Bluetooth-enabled Xbox controller, pair it wirelessly through your Chromebook settings. Alternatively, you can connect a wired controller directly using a USB port. Always ensure your Chromebook recognizes the controller before starting any game. This step is crucial for seamless interaction and control during gameplay. Finally, you are ready to play. Browse the extensive library of games available through Xbox Cloud Gaming and select your favorite. For the best performance, close any unnecessary browser tabs or applications running in the background. This helps ensure your Chromebook dedicates its resources to streaming. Enjoy hundreds of high-quality games streamed directly to your device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.